Good morning, good morning. This is CryptoBuyer coming to you with episode 6, I believe, of the CryptoBuyer podcast vlog documenting the journey through the crypto space. At CryptoBuyer, we always start off by saying this is not sound financial advice. This is strictly one man's opinion on cryptocurrencies and things that I think everybody should take a look at, whether it be a cryptocurrency, whether it be a platform, whether it be an ICO. Basically, just giving you guys insight in the research that I do. Please do your own due diligence before investing your own money. I am, again, not a financial advisor, not an investment advisor, and not held accountable for any great things or dumb things that you do. So, getting right into it, cryptocurrency market this morning on October the 4th. Coin market cap 144 billion in the market right now. Things are kind of holding steady. Bitcoin, like I said last video, guys, if it stays over $4,000, I see going into November, going into the SegWit 2X, going into the hard fork, I see Bitcoin going upwards of $5,000, just because it's consolidating down in this area. Again, like I said, if it stays over 4,000, then I think we're in a good spot to make a run to 5. So keep an eye on that. Where are we at? Let's see. OMG's at a fantastic price right now. I see OMG being 15 to 20 here soon. So this is a fantastic price. It's down a little bit, but great partnerships, great use case, powered by Ethereum. Vitalik's a big supporter of OMG. So if you're big on Ethereum and big on the use case of OMG, I suggest this would be a fantastic spot to get in. Waves is something to look at. Waves is something I have a small hold in. But Waves just got listed on a few new exchanges. I'm not exactly sure which ones, but there should be a pretty nice little spike in Waves here over the next week or so. Where it goes from there, I am not sure. But if you're looking to take a quick little profit, you should have gotten it yesterday. But I still think this is a pretty good spot to get in. Anything under 550 for Waves is a solid entry point. ARC, great spot to get in. Anything under $3 with ARC is a steal. ARC easily within a 12 to 15 month period is going to be $100 coin. You can quote me on that. Alright, so I actually have 0 ARC. So that is one coin that I'm talking about right now that I have 0 of, but I will be accumulating as soon as some of these ICOs come out, and if I can turn a quick buck on an ICO would be nice. One ICO I do want to talk about, I talked about it in the last video, is ENJIN Coin. And I kind of mentioned it just at the end of the video that I might be talking about it. And once I did research on it, I'm in. Alright? Total transparency, I am in ENJIN Coin. I got in as soon as the ICO launched on yesterday, and here's the crazy thing, guys. I'm going to go right to it, sold out in a day, and the ICO is set to run until the 31st of this month. So very, very explosive ICO. ENJIN, the company, has millions and millions of users on their platform already. They're just going to start issuing this currency so that gamers can start paying with within the platform using the ENJIN coin. So ENJIN coin, take a look at it. You got about 20% left to get in, which is insane for one day. ENJIN coin competes with like game credits and things like that. The thing about game credits is run on their own blockchain, which adds a little bit of security concerns. ENJIN's run on the Ethereum platform, so there's a little bit more security when you're running on the Ethereum blockchain versus your own blockchain. So something I definitely recommend you guys looking into. I think the ICO price is extremely good. For 1 ether, you're gonna get 6,000 ENJIN coins. And if you look at, say you take a look at game credits, which we can go take a look at game credits right now. See where game credits is sitting. Game credits is sitting at 250. So if you take that into consideration, obviously you'd have to take into consideration the circulating supply of game credits versus ENJIN, but you also want to take into consideration the user base of ENJIN coin versus game credits. So basically, one ENJIN coin right now at the ICO price is 5 cents. So let's say you put in 1 ether, $300. You're gonna get 6,000 ENJIN coin. Let's say it hits the dollar value of game credits within 6 months. So you've turned your $300 investment into a $15,000 investment, which, even if it goes to $1, you've turned your $300 investment into a $6,000 investment. So something to look into, guys. Again, like I said, they got a good team behind it. They got a big company behind it. They have millions of users already ready to adopt the currency. And again, I was super surprised when I got in. I got in because I believed in the coin and the project, and I thought the ICO price was amazing. But then as the day went on and I saw this percentage chart just continue to fly up, I was like, wow, that's insane. So this might be a hidden gem, something maybe bigger than expected when it comes out. They have said through their Telegram that the coins will definitely be on HitBTC, Ether Delta, and 2 other smaller exchanges. They're talking to Binance. So the coins will be out there on exchanges as soon as the crowd sale's done. So the crowd sale is supposed to go till the 31st of October, but I think it's going to be done by the middle of this month. So as soon as the crowd sale is over, the tokens will be released, and then they'll be able to be traded. So keep an eye on ENJIN coin. Again, guys, if you enjoy these videos, if you're finding out new things, kind of hearing a real world example that you like, press subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any comments or questions, comment below. As always, I appreciate your ears, and until episode 7,